Antimicrobials are critical tools for fighting diseases in humans, animals, and plants. Overuse of these drugs in the three sectors have accelerated the threat of antimicrobial resistance. One of the missions of ISAC and the main aim of APUA is to encourage prudent use of antimicrobial agents. November 18 to 24 was declared as World Antimicrobial Week by the WHO, aimed to increase awareness of global AMR and to encourage judicious use of these drugs among the public, healthcare workers, and policymakers to avoid further emergence and spread of drug-resistant bacteria. The slogan for this year's campaign is Antimicrobials, Handle with Care. With the COVID-19 pandemic, we have witnessed a sharp increase in the use of antibiotics. An infection that is manifested mostly by fever and cough among symptomatic patients led the frantic physicians to overprescribe the drugs despite evidence that less than 5 to 6% of patients have a bacterial superinfection. COVID has killed around 1 million people so far. It is estimated, though, that antimicrobial resistance will contribute to 10 million deaths by 2050 yearly if we keep the same trend. COVID will hopefully subside soon. Antimicrobial resistance will stay with us to haunt us in the future, where we might reach a point of no options to treat infections after successful surgeries, transplantations, and complex chemotherapy treatment. Antimicrobial agents are precious, and we need to use them carefully to preserve them for the future. Let us be united to preserve antimicrobials. Thank you for your attention.